All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you how to move your artwork with your artboard. So you can see we have some artwork here, and we've got an artboard, and I'm going to select the artboard tool, which is over here under palette. And when you do that, you can see your control bar changes, right? I want to click off, and I click on this. It's basically what you can do with your artwork. Switch back. Now we have our artboard. If you don't have that control bar showing, it's window and then control. Make sure that's checked. So you'll see that I can move the artboard around, but the artwork does not go, even if it's selected. So go up here and you move copy artboard, artwork with artboard. Sorry, it's hard to say. Now, there we go. See that? Click off. So that worked. Now we're going to go back to artboard tool. Make sure you always have the artboard tool selected. These things will go away. So I click off. Man, it doesn't work. Same thing with scaling. So scaling doesn't work, right? You shrink your page, your artwork stays the same, but you can do that. Click on the scale right there. See that? And we're back. So that's pretty cool. This next one is just your artboard options. You can get that by just double clicking here too, and change the size. What you need to do. There's a bunch of stuff there, but I want to stick to the point of the video here. The other thing, this is a big one. So actually, I'm going to copy this real quick. That's an option. Drag gives you a copy. Just FYI. And I'm going to lock this guy. So Object, Lock Selection, and I'm going to hide this one. So I'm going to go to Object, Hide Selection. Now, if I move the artboard, they're not going to go with it. See that? Even if I select this, like I showed you a minute ago, guess what? They don't go. And now it's giving me an error. Hidden or locked objects won't be moved. So what we do there is, I'm going to show you this the hard way. You take this back off and you go up to Settings, Illustrator Settings, and then you hit Selection and Anchor Display, right? The second one there. And right here you have Move Locked and Hidden Artwork with Artboard. So that obviously does exactly what we wanted it to do, right? Oh, it doesn't, right? I said the hard way. Yeah, so this still has to be activated, the moving thing, so you have to do like a double dip. Preferences, make sure that you can select, move them, and then make sure that this is activated, otherwise it won't move them. But now look, see the hidden one and the locked one's moving with me. Isn't that nice? But it still won't work there. And it definitely won't work if you don't have this checked. And now I'm just going to go here and simply unlock all, and I'm going to show all, which is unhiding, and they're back. So that's how you do that. It's one of those things that's super simple, only if you just know where to point and click. So I hope that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.